In this video, we will explain the installation and operation of the high-intensity dual LED searchlight for DJI Mavic 4 with the Skyhook Plus device and as a standalone. First, install the dual LED module on the drone's right arms and the battery pack on the drone's left arms. Next, connect the battery pack long power cable to the dual LED module and secure it to the drone's rubber tab. Next, connect the short control cable to the Skyhook Plus's aux channel. Under the safety menu, scroll to the auxiliary LED option. If it's off, set it on, off, to toggle the Skyhook aux channel and switch the searchlight on or off. It can also be operated remotely through drone rotation. Quickly rotate the drone more than 2 full right turns clockwise to toggle the Skyhook aux channel and switch the searchlight on or off. Before takeoff, manually adjust the angle of each LED head as required for your operation. For battery charging, connect the supplied USB cable to the charging port and plug it into a USB charger. During charging, the red light on the battery pack will flash. Once the battery is fully charged, the red light will remain continuously on. To extend operation times, the battery can easily be replaced in the field. Use only a certified rechargeable battery and verify correct polarity. To remove the searchlight, carefully disconnect it from the Skyhook Plus aux channel. Disconnect the long power cable from the dual LED module and detach it safely. The searchlight can also be used in standalone mode without the Skyhook Plus device, but with no remote control option. To do this, connect the control cable directly to the port on the battery pack to turn it on. Always make sure all connections are secure before flight.